Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a price action analysis on volatility 75 index. Alright, I'll be doing a top-down analysis from the daily where I do my analysis down to the 50-minute time frame where I'll be taking the entry and the method in which I'll be using for the entry. Okay, so if this is what you are interested in seeing me doing, make sure to stick to the video till the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital information I'll be sharing that will be of help to you. Okay, so I'll be heading to the daily time frame now. Now you can see from the daily time frame the price is currently heading towards the downside. All right, that is clearly showing you that we are in a downtrend, right? So right from the weekly, you can see that market has been going down. All right, recently market has been moving towards the downside. All right, so let's go back to the daily. Now here on the daily, this is what I'm going to do. I'll be putting in some trend line to help confirm what I'm seeing in the market. Right, you can see this is the resistance zone price bounce from, and it's speeding to the downside right now. Right, so I'll be heading down to the 4 hours time frame, right, because I will not be taking the entry from the daily. Right, so now here on the 4 hours you can see that we are still heading down, right? So as you can see from the 4 hours time frame, this is what we can see. All right, so this is a trend line marking this dip. All right, so now we are going to head to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame you can see that from the 4 hours trend line you can see that price has been respecting this zone here. All right, there is a resistance area here that price has been respecting, all right, from the past few days. All right, now coming towards this area you can see that price has broken above the trend line. All right, so this is the area price broke, made a retest around this place, and now it's heading towards the upside. All right, but the overall trend of the market is a downtrend, right? And we, as a trend follower, you want to be trading towards the direction the market is going. All right, follow the trend, right? So stepping down to the 30-minute time frame, I'll be marking this counter trend here. All right, so there is an upward movement here. All right, on the 30-minute time frame, this is showing us the price is currently heading towards the upside right now. All right, so now if we are to counter trend, if we are to trade towards the area of this counter trend, then it's going to be a short buy. All right, and this is what I'm saying. All right, so we are heading down to the 15-minute time frame. So now here on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to be putting in some support and resistance zone around this area, because here there is a support here. All right, which price has been bouncing from. All right, so you can see from this area now price went up, came back, bounced from this area, went up still, and you can see that this is a very strong support area here. Right, now this is what I'm seeing. I'm expecting price to bounce from this area, right, bounce from this area of support now down to this area of resistance. All right, so this is what I'm expecting to happen in the 15-minute time frame. All right, so as a scalper I can decide to take this buy. All right, hold for a little while. I'm going to hold for a short time. All right, from this area down to this area, take my TP, and then I exit the market. All right, this is what you do as a scalper. All right, you want to look for opportunity that will help you get into the market and get out as soon as possible. All right, or if that setup fails, then the plan B is that you want to wait for price to break below the zone and the trend line. Right, you want to see a movement to the upside, right, down to this zone, and then you look for your sell to the downside. All right, so these are my plans of action, all right, for this indices. Okay, this volatility 75 indices, this is my plan for it, right? So you wait for price to bounce to this area towards the counter trend direction. which is a buy, or you wait for it to break, retest, and then you sell towards the direction of the overall trend of the market. Okay, so whenever you are buying towards a wrong direction of the trend, you want to be going short. All right, but if you know you are following the trend, then you can hold for long. Okay, so this is my plan of action now. All right, so hopefully someone out there was able to learn something from this short video. Okay, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a powerful strategy or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, for those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Okay, so before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about a powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, for those of you who are just starting out, all right, the beginners, all right, I have a powerful boom and crash strategy. All right, if you trade boom and crash, okay, a powerful boom and crash strategy that will help you grow your small account even if you are a beginner. The strategy I'm talking about is designed strictly for boom and crash. All right, you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You're going to see my WhatsApp contact there. To make sure to message me, I'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. And for those of you who are asking about my broker, you can check the description of this video. The link to sign up with my broker is there. All right, so go click on the link and sign up with my broker so that you will enjoy trading every day. All right, because the market, on the synthetic market, the market doesn't close. You can trade 24/7. Okay, you can trade every single day, even on weekends you can trade with this broker. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you over out.